Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Tableau, one of the most popular data visualization and business intelligence tools, and I'll help you understand if it's worth learning in 2026. Tableau is a platform that turns raw data into interactive dashboards and visualizations. It connects to many data sources like Excel, SQL databases, and cloud services, making it easy to analyze data and share insights. One of Tableau's biggest strengths is its drag and drop interface. You can build charts and dashboards without any coding. It also supports interactive features like filters, drill downs, and tooltips, so users can explore data on their own. For more advanced users, Tableau supports calculated fields, forecasting, trend analysis, and other analytics functions. Once your dashboard is ready, you can share it using Tableau Cloud, Tableau Server, or packaged workbook files. Tableau is beginner-friendly compared to other BI tools and produces visually appealing dashboards. It performs well with large data sets, especially when using extracts, and has a large online community with tutorials and support. On the downside, Tableau can be expensive for individuals or small teams. It also has fewer data transformation features compared to some other tools, and version control or collaboration requires extra setup. Tableau is ideal for business analysts, data analysts, students learning BI, and companies that need KPI dashboards for sales, finance, or operations. Overall, Tableau remains one of the top data visualization tools. If your goal is to create clear, interactive dashboards and present insights professionally, it is definitely worth learning. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Tableau, data analytics, and business intelligence.